This road's a little narrow. A little bit of a drop off there. Kind of reminds me of a mini $1 million highway. That's what sort of reminds me of. Scattered around here and there. Definitely a pretty place to be parked, that's for sure. Wow. Oh, there's somebody coming too. Jiminy Christmas.
I have a little trailer.
Yeah. Oh. Good grief. Oh. Let's see if we can film down in there. There's a drop off for you. At least had a little stone barrier over that one. would have to pull over off to the side. Is pretty scenic though. Said that it was about 20 miles after we made the exit onto this road, but it also said it would take about 38 minutes to get there. So, and this stuff is why these little switchbacks and everything's so narrow. Definitely is a nice scenic view though, the whole way pretty much. Or something like that. Oh my goodness, we got to go way down that hill. I see the roadway down there. Oh, I don't know if you can see that in the shot or not. Roll the window down. There we go. You can see how the road winds down in there. I'm not sure what that is down there. Is that like some of the wash or something? I don't know. That's kind of cool. it on the video. There's a car up there. How'd that get up there?
That's a Chevette.
That's even funnier. Well, I see a lot of houses and a lot of campers.
Buildings are right down here.
Wow, that's a tight fit. So, we may not be able to find a place to park. So we're just going to probably roll through slowly and show you everything.
Darby's gonna have a fit.
Oh, and there's the Burro.
Well, 3 of them there.
So that's one of the draws of Oatman, is the fact that these burro, wild burro, come down and Darby just snorts at it a little bit, and basically wait for people to feed them, I guess.
So what was it? The people that had abandoned the mines back in the day?
Yeah, they used them. I think that's the story. They used the burro for when they were doing the mine and stuff. And there's the old Oatman Hotel. I believe that's where Clark Gable and Carol Lombard spent their honeymoon.
Yep.
Neat little shops. Quite a few people here, really, for a Thursday, and pretty early in the day. It's like 10:50, almost 11. So there's really not any place to park. So you might keep that in mind if you try to come down through here with a little camper. We wouldn't suggest bringing a big camper down through here, because some of those switchbacks are really tight, and I can't imagine trying to make them in a big long camper, trailer or Class A or anything like that. So that was Oatman. Pretty neat little place. We're not real big into going into like gift shops and stuff, so it's not really a thing for us, but I like the old buildings. I think it's neat, and I wanted to kind of see the burros walking the streets with my own eyeballs, and now I've seen it.